Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Patreon account. So here I'm at the Patreon app. Now once you're here to click on your profile picture at the top right. Now in here go to settings. Now in here if you scroll down you will see delete account. Click on it. It will take you to this page right here. Now in here scroll down and click on erase right here. Now in here click on allow. Now in here click on confirm request. And after that, this will come saying request submitted successfully, and after 14 days, your Patreon account would be completely deleted. So that is how you can delete your Patreon account. Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Patreon account. So here I'm at the home page of Patreon. Now once you're here to click on the three dots right here besides your profile name, and after that click on privacy policy right here. Now once you're in the privacy center, click on make a privacy request right here. Now in here, scroll down and click on erase right here. And after that, click on confirm request. And after that, this will show up saying request submitted successfully. And after 14 days, they will completely delete your Patreon account. So that is how you can delete your Patreon account.